Hello, math heroes. Today we're tackling the powerful 9 times table. Are you ready to put your brain power to the test? Let's jump right in and see how many you can get right. Question 1. What is 9 times 6? Is it A, 53, B, 55, or C, 54? The answer is C, 54. Amazing start. Question 2. What is 9 times 4? Is it A, 36, B, 35, or C, 37? The answer is A, 36. Great work. Question 3. What is 9 times 3? Is it A, 28, B, 27, or C, 26? The answer is B, 27. Keep it up. Question 4. What is 9 times 5? Is it A, 45, B, 46, or C, 44? The answer is A, 45. Fantastic. Question 5. What is 9 times 7? Is it A, 64, B, 62, or C, 63? The answer is C, 63. Excellent work. Question 6. What is 9 times 2? Is it A, 19, B, 18, or C, 17? The answer is B, 18. Great job. Question 7. What is 9 times 10? Is it A, 90, B, 89, or C, 91? The answer is A, 90. Amazing. Question 8. What is 9 times 8? Is it A, 72, B, 73, or C, 71? And the answer is A, 72. Keep going. Question 9. What is 9 times 1? Is it A, 10, B, 8, or C, 9? The answer is C, 9. Excellent. Question 10. What is 9 times 6? Is it A, 54, B, 55, or C, 53? The answer is A, 54. Great work. Question 11. What is 9 times 3? Is it A, 27, B, 28, or C, 26? The answer is A, 27. Fantastic. Question 12. What is 9 times 9? Is it A, 82, B, 81, or C, 80? The answer is B, 81. Awesome. Question 13. What is 9 times 5? Is it A, 44, B, 46, or C, 45? The answer is C, 45. You're doing great. Question 14. What is 9 times 7? Is it A, 62, B, 63, or C, 64? The answer is B, 63. Keep it up. Question 15. What is 9 times 2? Is it A, 18, B, 17, or C, 19? The answer is A, 18. Excellent. Question 16. What is 9 times 10? Is it A, 91, B, 90, or C, 89? The answer is B, 90. You're unstoppable. Question 17. What is 9 times 4? Is it A, 35, B, 36, or C, 37. The answer is B, 36. Great work. Question 18. What is 9 times 8? Is it A, 72, B, 73, or C, 71? The answer is A, 72. Fantastic. Question 19. What is 9 times 1? Is it A, 9, B, 8, or C, 10? The answer is A, 9. Amazing. Question 20. What is 9 times 9? Is it A, 80, B, 81, or C, 82? The answer is B, 81. Incredible. Fantastic work. You've mastered the 9 times table. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time for more math challenges. Bye for now.